continuing further, there is another part of the presentation that is missing here, that should be dwelt with, the resistivity and thermal conductivity of copper plate. Would you like to give some inputs on this? Would you like to talk something on this experiment, Kuldeep?
I thought only one experiment.
No problem. That is good enough. Okay. If you want to convey to us any other additional material, any other aspects on thermal conductivity, you can tell.
Yes.
Kuldeep, if you want to speak anything on, the aspect of, thermal conductivity of metals.
It is, thermal conductivity is property of a substance to allow the heat to pass through the substance. It is called thermal conductivity, and it is denoted by K. So, value of thermal conductivity is different from different materials.
What I wanted to do now, Kuldeep, actually, I want to bring some material from Senjal as well. I wanted to show why the slides are not changing, why the slides are stuck. Can you make the slides move, Kuldeep? This is struck somehow. You see, I'm in the middle of, the preparation of the slides. I could not add, Why do you think, students, the slides are not changing? Why the slides are struck? What is the problem? Why? No, it's not responding. I will quickly move to thank you slide, okay? Yeah, it's a very nice presentation, Kuldeep. Dear students, it's only this attempt is only to bring out your talents, okay? We have seen that, Kuldeep has got an eloquence in lecturing, okay? I wanted to include some aspects from Senjal textbook as well on, how the thermal conductivity of metals vary, different metals depending on the chemical composition, how the thermal conductivity of metals compare with liquids, gases, and many other things. I wanted to copy and put the information in the presentation. Unfortunately, I had very limited time and I could not complete the presentation, but you see, I have just shown the presentation, ready-made presentation, but Kuldeep did an outstanding job, okay? Whatever new material is given to you, students, you should be able to comment on the material, okay? Understand? It is as if, Kuldeep is well versed with the order, the sequence. He has presented as an experienced scholar. Thank you, Kuldeep, for presenting on, the method of determination of thermal conductivity of different packaging materials that are arranged in series, starting from mild steel, asbestos, wood. Thank you for the nice presentation. Yes. Thank you, students, for your attention.